we're starting over. Take 2, okay? Okay. It's a great day to be a girl named Desiree, and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I am Desiree Chanel. In today's video, I show you how to get this pretty rose gold pink cut crease. First cut crease. I think we did a good job. I achieved this look using my Morphe 350 palette. I do show you what colors I used in the video, but the star of the show is going to be the Stila, I hope I said that right, Stila, whatever, y'all know what I mean. The Rose Gold Retro Glitter and Go Liquid Eyeshadow. So it looks like this. Let me show it here. Looks like that. Hope you guys can see it. I got this over the weekend. I had been wanting one for such a long time, and I couldn't really decide whether I wanted the Kitten Karma or the Rose Gold one, but I ended up going with the Rose Gold one. This look was super easy. I only used like 3 colors to achieve this look, but I am done talking. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends about me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah. Don't start no trouble on me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, she was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't, I feel good, sometimes I don't, I finesse down Western Road, finesse. Might go down to G.O.D., wait. I go hard on Southside G, wait. I make sure that Northside E is still, Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish on me. Tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, Lady Dub. I even got it tatted on me. 81, met back when crashes through the party. Michael Town is G.O.D. Wait. I go hard on Southside G. Wait. I make sure that Northside E. Still, what's up? Bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 they on me. God's plan. It's been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up. Bad thing with them bitches, I don't get it. You're a scholar. There's a lot of bad things that they wishing on me. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I never make you feel like that. Yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble on me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. I guess Yes, I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, she was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't, yeah. I finesse, I waste the road, yeah, finesse. Might go down to G-O-D, yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G, yeah, wait. I make sure that no side E is still, yeah. Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and